Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Naturally. I am so glad you are here with us today. Today, we have a very useful lesson for you. We will learn 3 simple phrases that you can use every day. These phrases will help you sound more natural when you speak English. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. Please listen carefully and repeat after me when I ask you to. Let us begin with our first phrase. Our first phrase is, "How are you doing?" This is a very common way to ask someone how they are. It is similar to "How are you?" but it often feels a little more informal and friendly. You can use it with your friends, your family, or your colleagues at work. It is a great way to start a conversation. Let us try saying it together. I will say the phrase slowly, and then I want you to say it out loud. Try to copy my pronunciation. Ready? How are you doing? Now it is your turn. Say it out loud. Very good. Let us try it one more time. Listen carefully. How are you doing? Now, your turn to repeat. Excellent. You can answer this question in a few ways. You can say, "I am doing well, thank you," or "I am good, thanks," or simply, "Fine, thanks." Now, a question for you to think about. Who can you say, "How are you doing?" to today? Think of one person. Let us move on to our second phrase. Our second phrase is, "Sounds good." We use "sounds good" to agree with an idea, a suggestion, or a plan. It means, "That is a good idea," or "I agree with that." It shows you are happy with what someone has suggested. For example, if your friend says, "Hey, let us meet for coffee tomorrow morning," you can reply, "Sounds good." This means you like the idea of meeting for coffee. Let us practice this phrase. I will say it, and then you repeat. Listen, sounds good. Now, your turn. Say it clearly. Wonderful. Let us try it again. Sounds good, and your turn to repeat. Very good. Now, let us think about a question. Imagine a friend asks you to go for a walk in the park. How would you respond using our new phrase? Think about it. That is right. You would say, "Sounds good." Now, for our third and final phrase for today. Our third phrase is, "No worries." This phrase is very useful. It has 2 main meanings. First, it can be an informal way to say, "You are welcome." If someone thanks you for something, instead of saying, "You are welcome," you can say, "No worries." It means it was no trouble for you at all. Second, it can mean, "Do not worry about it," or "It is not a problem." If someone apologizes to you, for example, if they say, "I am so sorry I am late," you can respond with, "No worries." This tells them it is okay and that you are not upset. Let us practice saying, "No worries." Listen carefully. No worries. Now please repeat. Great job. Let us try it one more time. No worries. And your turn. Excellent work. Now for a question to help you practice. Can you think of a time when someone might thank you and you could say, "No worries," instead of "You are welcome"? Imagine that situation in your mind. Perfect. You now have 3 new phrases to use in your daily English conversations. So, today, we learned, number 1, "How are you doing?" to greet someone. Number 2, "Sounds good," to agree with a plan. And number 3, "No worries," to say "You are welcome" or "Is not a problem." Try to use these phrases today. The more you practice, the more natural they will become. We hope you found this lesson helpful. If you enjoyed learning these simple phrases, please remember to like this podcast episode. Your likes help us reach more English learners like you. Also, We would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below this podcast episode. Tell us which of these 3 phrases you will try to use first, or share an example of how you might use one of them. We read all your comments. And very importantly, do not forget to subscribe to Spoke English Naturally for more easy and useful English lessons. When you subscribe, you will not miss any of our new episodes. Thank you so much for joining us today. Keep practicing your English. We will speak to you again in our next lesson.